6 lithiums, 2 taramps, base 30Ks, and 500-600 feet of 2 watt.
I just heard 2 12Ks over there. That blew my mind. A 30K?
Well, you got 2 of them.
Oh my God.
It was gonna have 3, but then I sold them to a customer. So.
Yeah.
Literally.
Wow, that's crazy. Let's go look under the hood, and then I'm gonna climb in. Damn.
Yeah.
What's this you're holding?
Control box.
Why is it outside the vehicle?
He's not stupid.
You're about to learn.
I'm not getting in there.
I want to get it again.
You want to get in? Trying to make that face? You about to see. Yep.
I saw him earlier.
Yep. We got all SMD fuse holders, distribution. We got the direct leads running to those, so I can change the impedance.
Look at all that wire, man.
Yep. 3 Singer alts, 2 more limitless battery.
God damn, it does smell, man. It smells like coil. But it is so loud. God damn. This thing is not playing around, man. I had to squirm a little bit so I didn't tap.
Yeah, what about
Jesus.
that? Oh, wait.
Woo, look at the smoke.
That's smoke, dude.
Yeah. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I sure do see it.
What smoke?
Damn, dude. We're moving like fucking crazy, bro. Oh,
Tell you what.
oh, not yet?
Hey, can I get out?
It's dangerous.
Dangerous?
I'm liquid poison.
Oh, I'm out of here. I'm a little disoriented. I know you are.
That wasn't fun.
Yeah, it was. I liked it.